A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, guys, they are watch Argentina versus Kurt Diva. A 1-1 and an extra time. So if you want to watch the video, you don't know a World Cup time. But anyway, guys, somebody sent one video to me, and more all of the farm workers, them who used to call MIXUP boss 1 year ago, 2 years ago, who have problem, I want to get mistreated. Some I want to do Canada, run off, some I want to come back, want to get compensated. And for some reason, there was this story where a guy called me. I think it was 1 year ago, and it touched everybody. And for now, so him have to left Canada and then compensate him. Now, one lady come out and she say, yes, them file a lawsuit against the farmers, them who get the people from Jamaica. So them, she said, anybody who get mistreated, I put it out there, man. I make sure I play back the guy's story. So if he watch me, can hear it, or somebody will know him voice, tell him to reach out to me. Or you can watch every day and see the number. Alright, I want to share it, guys. Yeah, man. All who watch MIXUP boss now, so I will for them people every day up on the channel. So, I'm play with the lady say, and then now, I want to listen back where the brother did go through. Alright? Alright. Yeah. Guys, share and like. I could listen.
My people, please forward this video as it might benefit our people, particularly the farm workers from Jamaica who come every year to Canada. And trust me, they work hard. I've been on the farms, and sometimes the conditions is not even good, and yet they work. So 3 law firms, Koski Minsky LLP, Goldblatt Partners LLP, and Martinez Law have launched a class action lawsuit against the Attorney General of Canada for farm workers who have been working under the Seasonal Agricultural Workers Program from 2008 to present. My people, these are the same workers who plant and pick the food where we eat every day in Canada. But here's the problem. They were tied to one employer, they couldn't switch jobs, and if they lost that job, they had to leave Canada. So, you know what, many of them stayed, even when conditions weren't right, working conditions weren't right, they still stayed. And get this, they paid into what is called employment insurance, right? Just like every one of us in Canada who pay into it. So that was money coming off their paycheck, but many of them could even access these benefits. Now the lawsuit is saying that this is unfair because it violates their rights and that the government collected money, hear this, collected money without giving them what they deserve. Now, this case was just approved to move forward in 2026, and it covers workers from 2008 until now. So my people, if you know someone who worked on a farm in Canada under this program, tell them to look into it, because after all, farm workers deserve fairness too. I'm going to drop the contact information down below, but let me tell you, the number is 1-844-819-8528. And they can also send an email to migrantworkersaction@kmlaw.ca. I'm going to drop the information below. Please forward it. Justice will and must prevail. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, even or night, whichever part of the world you are today.
And I must say thank you guys for all who share. Actually, somebody shared the video with me. Thank you very much, because I only up on Instagram and certain page. So thank you very much. You know, look out for me. And yeah, man. Guys, the worst story them I get from Canada. The worst stories them I get from Canada, guys. And I tell you, I feel it, man. But anyway, guys, I'm refreshing the memory with the story. I'm not going to light, but I just can't go now. I look up at it. And then now, I play a segment from a TikTok show. I can listen. Okay.
Anyway, I'm there, you know, and I work and I do my thing and I go through. And one of the time, the water from the pipe now, because I'm telling you, we're far from civilization. And the water from the pipe, and one of my brethren gets sick from it, and we drop on the boss. I'm saying, boss, see, water is no good, man. But me always boil it still, you know. I always boil it because we don't have no other choice. We always boil it. So he said to me, not to me, to everybody. He said, the water tested, man, and the water is okay. Everything, no problem with the water. The only thing can happen to the water, maybe a little mouse. A little mouse. I said, what?
What do you mean a little mouse?
Rat.
Rat?
Maybe I remember only rat can go in the because inside cover properly. So the space what is there maybe only a little mouse can get in there, not the water, you know.
Jesus.
We are drinking it.
Oh my
And I
God.
said, God, who are this pump pour me now? Anyway, there one weekend we come in on the water in the year. Like something wrong with one of the hose or something, man. The maintenance man come and him sort out the water. So them sort out when they move the covering and I go down to it in the well where the water there. It's a big old dirty dead rat down there. You understand? I actually see that, you know. I would talk to the man about it over and over. And we don't have no choice better more than we have to boil the water and use it. The same. Well, we start buy water now whenever time we get the chance. We stack up with enough water for drink and things. I know we have a lot of water same way for drink. But we have to use the water for cook food. We have to use the water for brush your teeth. We have to use the water for bathe. You understand? And we there now and we are doing things here when I work and things are going. Things are going good. When it comes to we pay now, what we doing now?
No.
No, sir. Anything you work. If I 1 minute of work, I get paid for 1 minute. Anything you work.
Only get paid cash or line of account. And send it to.
Yeah, account. We get paid our account.
Right.
You understand? Anyway, the system stay away. We as we tell you, we're there far from civilization. So everything stuck up, fully. Everything stuck up. Can't send money freely to a family and all type of something. Everything stuck up. But we still a fight and I got through. So, we're about 3 weeks now. Actually, today the 4th of December. So the 19th of November. 19th of November. But I work. But we get lunch like everybody don't get lunch at one time. Some get lunch 12 o'clock, some get half hour lunch we get them. Some get lunch 12 o'clock, some get lunch 12:30. 1 o'clock, 1:30, you name it. So me get lunch 1:30. I'm not come on back 2 o'clock. And coming down the stairs, I make a slip. Them knows I'm here talking when them hear it, you know. But who's there, man? Yeah, make a slide. And me twist my foot. My right foot. Twist it away where I tell us if it never for the side rail coming down the stairs, then my foot will have broke. Yeah, and me. The belly still, I know where man I will shake off that and run go downstairs. We never really. So, but by working now, I feel like a discomfort.
Yeah, it's spraying, man.
Yeah, I'm spraying, man. And me feel away. And I report it to the supervisor because the boss never did it. And anyway, I work out the day and come home. When I come home the following day, I call the boss. So the boss said, the supervisor tell you about the injury. He said yes. So I said, yeah man, I'm explain to him and he said, alright, let's take the day. Take the day. So I decided to take the day because, you know, my foot. But by this now, my foot keep on swell more and more now. I feel pain more and more. I'm call the boss. So boss, I need to go to the doctor. The boss said, no, it make no sense. You go to the doctor. It make no sense you go to the doctor because if you go to the doctor might just give you a few days or maybe a week to rest. So just stay inside and rest. I said, Lord God, what is this? Yeah, same way. Thursday, foot a kill me same way. Friday, foot a kill me, call them.
When it a kill you, hold on, explain the pain where you feel. It a severe pain? Like you can't discomfort or you can't sleep, you have your 90
I can't sleep, man. I can't. I pay twist me, twist and turn. Pay twist and turn because the pain. And then I'm in knee and it cause my whole foot to swell big, you know, man, like a jackfruit.
Whoa.
And me I say, boss, you need to go to the doctor. And the man I say, no, you know. And it go on and go on until it reach the Monday now, which is the 25th of November. My birthday too, you know. Just call the liaison service and explain to them. And explain to them. They say, no man, don't care like this. I've got a doctor now. And them call them up and him come and they bring me to the doctor. The way the man wicked was to show people with farmer have face budget. When the man came to the doctor, we drive like about 2 hours for reach at the hospital. And we'll go there and me register. The lady said to Mr. Did you have a health card? I said, I'm supposed to have one, but I didn't get it. She said, did you have any form of insurance? I said, I'm supposed to get it from the boss, but he didn't give me it. And the lady said, if you don't have this stuff, it'll cost you a lot.
Yep.
And I said, actually, I get injured on my job. And she said to me, so where is, you have a contact for your boss? I said, yes, I have a contact, and he's also here. And the lady said, call him and come over. They explain everything to him, and I saw him call the office. And get the thing on the phone. Because right now on the phone, I have my document there, you know. When I forget, I'll come up and forgive me health card and something, you know. Up on my phone, I have it right now. I know I never see it in my hand. And I go to Banana now and him send it, give it on my phone, same place. And the lady do what she do because I told you about a lot. They said, if I give a figure, you know, but she said a lot, it will cost a lot. So now we get that. Now, I come home and I'm there. And I'm supposed to come home. I'm supposed to come down like somewhere in the 15th, you know, the end of season, that and thing. So the man for bring me, go back to the doctor. I call him and I tell him I'm supposed to. But the doctor give me 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks, based on the performance on the foot. And so 1 to 2 weeks to come back. So if I say an improvement in a 1 week, if I come back, if it not improve till the next 2 weeks, I come back. You understand? So I link him up. Because I feel some hard pain, you know. Back again. I feel some hard pain. Like the first medication I saw we get like it never did that. Work to all that. I'm call the man and I said, I need to go back to the doctor. Where you want to go back to the doctor? I said, I need to go back to the doctor. I'm feeling pain, man. I feel pain. I need to go back to the doctor. I need to go and, you know. I don't have the time for that. I don't have time for that. Okay, I don't have time. So I said, if you don't have the time for me, I'm there sick, I need to go to the doctor and everything. The man started kick up a storm, brethren. And believe me, man, there. But the reason for this, making no one carry me, is based on when I go to the doctor and everything, and all the days when I work and all them something there after I get the term document and everything.
In VPA, said we.
Right. I don't want to do that because I tell him in the work. Tell no one to do that. You understand? And believe me, man, I'm there. And God's so good. See some people pass car. Some people where eye color, them kind of look lump and we as black. And some of we as black look lump and some of them as white. But we just neutral and there and, you know. You see what lady just pass and say hi to you and stop. Where are you from? And we're in Jamaica and everything and whatever. And that's how we change a few words and things. And I say, call the lady and beg her, please, and ask her, please do, may I beg you, if you can take me to the doctor. Because my foot will mad me. Me dead, I can't walk.
So you did a cry out in a pain?
Yeah, man, I answer, man.
And the boss are here.
Man. And the boss, I mean, I tell the boss, man, and the man said, the man tell me, no, man. The man tell me, I don't have time for that. I'm not going back to Oliver, to the place where I started the name Oliver. You know, go back, son. Me say, man, and the lady say, boy, she really sorry, but she know they know it in a town now. And we spot the lady there, about 3 hours from me. She there. And she can't come because she look after her grandkids them. Because her daughter anniversary or something like that, and them gone out and them gone out to see the woman. The far distance there with the kids them. So she can't come. And me there and lay down in my bed. Yesterday I tell about her. Me there and lay down in the bed and I lay down there. I talk to her sister back home and she said to me, she's a Christian too, and she said to me, look at you. You know one song where Jabez sing? Then before the day is over, God will come through for you. And I said, yeah, man, I know the song, man. I know the song well too. And she said, before the day is over, man, God will come through for you, my youth. And I tell you, and you know, me lay down there, the song was me not really sing out, but it was a ringing on my head. You know? The song was a ringing on my head. Before the day is over, you know? I made this song. I made this song all day. And you know, so there, man, and young you boom, boom, boom on the door. So I get up and up, go out there and I see one lady. I see the lady. The lady said, Cindy, send me to you. You are John? And I said, yes. So Cindy send me to you. And I said, okay. She said, I must come and assist you to go to the doctor. Because she's explained a few things. And believe me as me I talk to you, boss. Believe me as me I talk to you. Them members are dead straight. I one time I see a lady, you know. And we just by reason I come from Jamaica. She's never been to Jamaica before and everything, and she just, you understand? We just become like a friend, right? So, and also them people that come to hospital, brethren. And them people that come to hospital, you know. Them people that come to hospital, you know. And take care of me to and fro, you know. And come back, you know. And today, the boss come and call somebody I work on the building now in a same way, you know. And the boss come and step past me right there, sir. And not even how you do.
Wow.
Not even for how you do, you know. That's me, I say, look at the man, this is sometime when you come at them place and you work and you go home. And even if he's a mean person, I stay away a man, that's a boy, the boy there, this and them a P and them a D and them a that and them a that. You understand what I mean? Sometimes they don't even know where a farmer has a face. Yes, sir, brethren.
Wow.
Me I tell you, you know. And them one about, here what I'm upset with me about. Because in my customer from the other day say, I call the consulate. Why are you calling the consulate? Why are you calling the consulate at the same liaison service, you know? You call the consulate on me. You call the consulate. And that them hate me for now, you know. After me they are dead in everything. You understand? But when at the time I say look like a meme have a problem with. That me I say look like a meme have a problem with at the time. But when we check it out, at the nature of the man, because the next year you take sick, Tuesday gone, and feel sickness even wicked enough for me. Because him can't breathe none at all, and because he had dust from the ganja and all type of something. Mash him up, man. And all the man have begged for God, doctor. All the man have begged for God, doctor. The man wouldn't go. The man can't go. I Friday, I said to him and say, I say no dead, brethren. Till the laser number, I call them, man. I saw them, I saw him call the laser. Ambulance, I'm taking man out of Friday, you know, man. Ambulance, you know. And me, I worry about my foot, and me, I say, but this man not dead, man. I'll do me a ball about my foot, and I say, but this man nothing. I dead, this man not dead, you know. Dead, this man not dead, you know. And the man no pee. The man dog.
No, when I say
get
dead,
sick.
when I say dead, when I say in dead, who?
No, me I say based on that, the man, the sickness. Me did say to myself, say, it look like me have a problem with.
Right.
But when me see how sick this Alex Bridget be, from Tuesday coming on to Friday, how sick this man be, because a man can't breathe, I did him in a Bridget.
Oh, God.
And me I say then, if my foot sick, and this man can't breathe, that means I'm sick on me, you know.
Right.
This man is sick on me, you know. Me I say, right, now come at me now, feel no pain, they come at me now sick again, you know. When me see condition of that man, you know. And believe me, man, all the man I beg you, boss, you can't go a doctor. All the man beg you, man, you can't go a doctor. And the ambulance, they must call. If you can take your man out of Friday and everything. You understand what I say? And when a man about for chest pain, you know, anywhere when I roar, you know, for a man to stomach hurt, you know, I see what's something that, you know, brother. And the man, that's me I say, them bassa. Terrible, me I tell you, brother. Terrible. It's a farmer. Me listen to your program, your whole for people talk all type of something. Me listen woman problem, all type of problem. Me not them problem still. I'm not them problem. I travel quite a while. But at the same time, when I try to tell a man, this way you come right, sir. When you left ministry, them say you must know your rights. And some of the youth, them when them come, when them come, it's because you can come and you can work. And money, and this week I get paid, and you say $1,500 $2,000, and the money may look away and it sounds sweet and whatever. Yeah, you know what? Do nothing, feel no come back, because you work for request and I kill yourself, and so you go. Is that why me I give out to them?
Okay, wow.
It's a warning me I give out to them. Virgin, anyway, you take it better day. Better day, brother. Because when you go so boom and kill off yourself to please the boss, it's when you're dead, him call 10 more somebody in a field space and you're buried. Because no boss, no right, all right, you see one of him ganja plant, you rather you're dead more than one implant dead. Me not talk him specifically neither, you know. Any farmer, you see, whether I plant cabbage or tomato or lettuce or pepper or whatever, he rather lose you more than lose one of him product, you know. You understand what I say? But some man when them come now, them try to bring news and them try for this, and all when them are dead. You understand? When them are dead, them this and them try to itch up. And I don't say enough you love your employer. I not say that. I not say enough you have manners and enough for this car. I don't listen nobody, you know. I don't listen nobody. But me that straightforward you would say when if certain things come to me, I will tell you the truth.
So how you have to come on now?
Well, right now, as me tell you, when we go to the hospital yesterday, when we done the way them do and everything, I see them, I coach me the pan right now.
So what am I saying now? What am I saying?
I know you say nothing. I send all the information now when I get and everything. I send it up on him phone this morning. I know him. I tell you, the man come in there, so the man I work on the building inside that restaurant. I didn't know. And him not too long gone, and him there for at least about 3 hours. And he never asked me how my foot's there, how me do. Never. And I see the man dog sick about 3 weeks ago. A little over 3 weeks ago. But in a reach month yet still. The dog sick. Oh, you know, nearly locked on the whole work just to care dog. He mad. He mad. And that make me draw a line, brethren. I mean, I say you know if you love your animal, can't feel your pet. He mad. And we who are helping to generate money in business, you see me?
Yeah.
And I work. And come here, I work, brother. I come here, I work. See? We, I come go on. Right now, I tell you, in Canada, you know, I never got US, so I talk about Canada. In Canada, you know, every boss, cool, you know.
Every boss.
All boss cool. But what you do now with some of the boss, why you will live with some of them? Some of them pressure you for work, but the treatment after work, good. Yeah, some of them joke around, then we run them joke, and then we keep party, and we this, and then we support, and then we come, and then we cook, and then we will vibe with you. When you come to your work, with them work, then give you 2 day work in a one. Or 3 day work in a one. You understand what I say? So you have to have fire. You have to have fire to keep up, especially if you book up on a team, man, we're good. So you forget back a request to come back and stuff to come work with him. You have to try to fire like the man, we can see a fire.
So how much hour did they on the farm? How much hour did they on the farm there?
Oh, on the farm, you know, let's see. 5, about 17 over there, so you know.
All of them are yardy? Or just some?
Yeah. All of we are yardy, man. All of we are yardy. Yeah, you have a couple of white men up there where they different work from we like, where, you know, not like he grew and all them man and certain thing, but 17 away, be a yard man. But he will have not live said place.
Okay.
A 5 will live a search family there. You understand? So right now, to how the man deal with things, it's not encouraging. And me wouldn't want my worst enemy to come and say, no.
So the foot are healed though?
Well, I don't say yes, it's a heal, you know. It's a heal, like it's even better than yesterday. Because in the medication I them giving, I started taking from last night coming on to today, and I can feel the difference in it. It's still a jar them told me want it still, you know. Yeah. You know, say 2017, me go to Canada, and me have my left knee. My left knee damaged from me about 14, you know. From me about 14 years old, my left knee damaged, you know. And I go to Canada, my left knee set up in a 32 piece, you know. Let me tell you, but I never work related. It wasn't work related. Because I know somebody did get the knee up the crack from yard, and doctor they said to heal by nature. It can't happen.
So you sure that back, you sure that it got injured back and cause all of them?
No, man, I'm a next foot this.
Oh, your next foot, okay.
Yeah, man, I'm a right foot this injury now.
So what are the position now? Because we want any story now, because we're going 35 minutes.
When I work on that and everything, I have an artificial knee cup on my left. And that not giving a trouble, I don't know, man.
Yeah, so what may I say, what you plan for doing? If you get better, you're coming home?
No, I'm coming from my foot get better, man. I'm coming from my foot get better, but I have to work on some things before I reach home.
Okay.
You understand? Then I have to work on something before I reach home. Because if I left us, you know, if I left us without certain document, you know, you're dead in our show, you know, Virgin. You're dead in our show, you know. So one of the things when the boss try to do, they try to back me date. From which part when they book me for come, in calm me up, like he wants to tell me down before certain things come true for me. I'm not there to stand up like a man and decide to watch another man study, so I'm not moving.
Okay.
Yeah. When I move, so I'm not telling you them some of my man where they on farm work and things, so watch out, look out to some of them bastards and I have to know the rights and know what I do. You see what I say? And everything we can say still in a base on the process where I go on, you know.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? Yeah. But when I tell you them, look, you know, I'm going to try and know the rights, Virgin. Know the rights. Because if we know the rights, I found out dead in our show. Something will happen, and I will go down my yard and suffer. Or sometimes maybe I'm furious of my life when I suffer for I can't walk and I can't move and I can't this. Because we have all type of something to do with chemicals and all these things. Know on the rights.
Alright, so.
It's not all about money and jumping up and down. No one right with that car. Enough we are going to suffer. I'm a trade man, you know. I'm a trade man. So if I stop coming, I'm a trade man. I have more than one trade. Yeah, I'm a mason and a Tyler. I'm doing it with a captain. You see me? I'm a steel man, same way.
Yeah.
The team of construction.
Big up yourself, and thanks for sharing this
Alright.
informative
Yeah, man.
situation.
Pick up yourself, my boss, and just go and keep up a good work, yes, sir.
Yeah, man. I'll stay strong. I wish you a quick recovery so you can come back home to your family.
Alright, my boss. Yeah, man.
Alright. Anyway, guys, reach long in our video now. Situation as usual. Anyway, go listen to the part of my TikTok show. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, share. And the situation here, it's beyond parenting. Everybody parent how they can parent. Everybody parenting skill is different. You might parent your child this way, I might parent my child that way. It worked for us both. The point of this situation is the disgrace we bring down on these kids. They now go ever get that you know, so them friend have on gone and then just sit down. Come on, just look at it. That is so.
Like some disciplinary action, you penalize them because they didn't do as well. That is disturbing. That's crazy. Like if somebody did that to my child, but I probably just rail and go on by their graduation. Nobody now go wear gun then because like why you do that to a child? Let them all wear guns. You already know that they go into different institutions, right? And if you know it's a case where you're not going to present the few kids that didn't do too well in the exams with gifts, then ask the parents to purchase gifts for them. And then you give it to them at the graduation. And I understand you have to allow those who did well to feel the glory of it. You know, you have to celebrate them. That's not an issue, but you cannot kick somebody. Yeah, and you keep on. Somebody feel defeated already. Remember, these kids already feel defeated because them not do well, you know, and you already you go rub it in again. They already feel defeated.
Imagine when the report come out and them show that you never make it to school where you want to go. And then at graduation, the world, you know?
GSAT? We take GSAT. We take common entrance.
How old is GSAT?
I took common entrance, Jody, to show you how long that was. But yeah. I don't agree with the treatment of
yeah, I guess the treatment is a problem, guys.
Yeah, the treatment is right.
We don't want there and we justify it, say yeah, him do it. A good thing him do. Make parents deal with kids and parent and kids. You understand?
But you know the next thing today, man, they don't know where these kids are coming from, the background. You can imagine you come from a household when you never do well and everybody in the house don't find you. Or you're not even passed for good school. At a school there you go and then a school. When you graduate them, I'll highlight it as well. These things traumatize children. Right. It will traumatize them. That was extreme. That was excessive. Like, punishment was already there. The fact that they didn't pass for the school that they wanted, they didn't have to punish them again.
Ali, next thing. What make it so it get so much public coverage? Actually, the big outlet them are carrying CBM, TVJ, the Gleaner, you know? And some advocate groups that they want to remove ASAP. You know what I mean? So, and there's something where people are something there, are showing under the carpet.
Yeah, it cannot be pushed under the carpet. Yeah, if we say the children are the future, we have to continue to nurture and push them. I know somebody, right? I met somebody once and like he told me that he's an engineer, you know, mind you. You know how much study you have to study, or it have to be extremely smart to become an engineer, right? And you know him tell me that he never learned to read until my 10-year-old, and I couldn't believe, like I couldn't fathom how somebody couldn't read till them at 10. Till when him tell me I try to think about him, I said, where you start from when you reach 10 and couldn't read. And him say him never learned to read until him at 10, and he's an engineer, supposed to be him mother or him community or him school did give up on him and say, boy, you can't read at this point, so I better you just call it quits. And no bother with nothing. You understand? You have to continue to push them, man, because the people who I see now, I've gotten a chance to observe a lot of things, and the people who did the best in school, I can tell you, they're not the ones who are doing the best now in life. Some of the people who struggled in school are the ones who are doing really well.
Right? I'm gonna tell you this. You see, Jamaicans will always like try to put down another set of kids based on their academics. It's a thing when I notice from me I grew up. It's like somebody pass them common entrance at them time there. I know they call it pep. It's like at the best of the best. Oh, we school, and some people inquire like them inquire which school your daughter pass for. I was like, it's a
Right,
thing like
right.
that, a competition thing. You know what I understand with me?
A
Like
competition. It
that,
is a
that
competition.
shows say the person is gonna be the best of the best and
Right.
whatever. And I'm here to say this. I know my neighbor right now, if she watch me, she go UA and she get her degrees them and whatever. And the field that she chooses, they don't have the vacancy for that field in Jamaica like that. You have to go, they can study at UA and go overseas. Go try get a job like that. And you know what? She there at Jamaica for a good when it's topping nice. In there you with it. What mean I say now?
Your neighbor.
Anyway, she left you with all what she forget. And you know, so she there went for about 3 years. And at the time when she I think she was about 25 or something like so. Some when I 20. And she sit down for about 3-4 years. I try to seek a job and she can't get it. And you know she end up after do?
My
Her
great.
mother borrow money. No, her mother borrow money. And tell her say she could just try to do one business until Ray. And she start a daycare business. And when she start the daycare, she start get 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. She start printing out 5. Her boyfriend start printing, sharing print 7, 8, 9, 10. Till the daycare become one of the biggest daycare now. In our particular part of St. Catherine, I'm not talk about it too much. And right now, as she and her husband are monitor it. In the pick up and drop off, you know the little thing there?
Yeah.
And that the girl have the highest of the highest I can think of. She does she cannot get the job where she study for. And like me say, look at that. If you did tell her back then say, oh, you're gonna run a daycare, a big daycare business, so right. She would have said, you're mad.
Yeah,
Me cannot go college to this or you know what I'm saying? But sometimes you don't know where life have to offer. And we need to know that this is what we learn. We need to know that it's not one man and a one-man build a nation. So if everybody did book smart, who's going to clean up the who's going to clean up the rubbish? Who's
exactly.
going to fix the mortar and the mason work? Who's going to do the carpentry? Who is going to do?
We're
You
gonna fix
understand
the
me?
expensive vehicle them over buy. We're gonna fix those.
Who is going
We're
to
gonna
fix
build the
them?
house so we're gonna live in now.
Right.
All these things.
Some hands are for dirty and some are for just clean. And they were, yeah, this is what we need to educate yourself and understand. Say, oh, this is life. You understand? So I don't know whether it's big fuss about like
While with school, I understand where certain things are necessary, especially like basic literacy.
Ali, may I reason with you? You live in Jamaica like me. How much kids you know now might have degree or might have certain amount of subject and qualify to get certain top level job. What kind of job? Why number one job for persons who are left college or them are left whatever institution them they didn't have to get a job.
You know, so the most opportunities now in the call center.
There you go.
Yeah, the most opportunities in the call center, and it's not necessarily for entry level. It's not necessarily the best paying job, but if you work your way up to managerial level, then you can make a lot of money. You make way more money than other people in other industries, but that's a topic for another day. But what school don't teach you, school focus a lot on academics, which is okay because that's why they're there. But the skills that they push to the back, like the cosmetology, the dressmaking, the auto mechanics, the carpentry, these are the things that really drive society. Right about now, somebody in the bank is making a third of what somebody who is like what a grill man make or the carpenter make or somebody who have the skill. No, legit because especially
you know
if
set of people, set of people, I never know so much money they make. I'm gonna underestimate them. The girl them will do hair and nails.
oh my, no, we're not even got a lash. Lashes. Sometimes you have to wonder how much you put on, like less than 100 ear per eye, and the ear them are not even half inch, quarter inch longer. How much you put on? About 20 of them per one eye. No, yeah, these people make money. Yeah, right. They make money.
Christmas and special holidays. Miracle. You say a graduation are going now?
Jody. Yes, these people, the skilled people are, listen, me know a fashion designer, right? And she make crazy money. She specializes in like wedding gowns. She specializes in like prom gowns and stuff, and she make a killing. Jamaica, I know she make a bag, right? Yes, having a skill is an asset, and people are leaving universities now and are moving towards a skill just the same, because that's how you become. If you want to become wealthy, you really have to work for yourself. You'll never become wealthy working for somebody else, because they're going to limit the amount they pay you, and for the rest you go work for it till you're whatever up. You now got really have anything significant. So most people are just getting the qualification, and then they're focusing on a skill area or some form of entrepreneurship to ensure say them control how much money them bring in. I think the reason why people stick to a 9 to 5 have to just make sure so them sure them pay up on a Friday. That's it.
And benefits down in the future.
Yeah.
You know, as I talk about that, I saw one girl over here named Chin, and she sell appliance. Whenever you hear about her, and one little mix up they go on with the share.
Yeah, I remember.
Alright, look on the girl there. How she talk her story, how she start, how she a shipping container, a furniture. Yeah, you know. Jody,
Good night.
why you take down your foot off? I want that your foot there from.
Nothing here to see. Nothing here to see. Right, Ali?
Right?
Because she cock up her foot. Me dear. Oh God. Where are you?
I'm here. I'm here.
Jody, you have a son. Imagine graduation day, him not do good in the academics, and them say no go on FEMA and something. How you that feel as a man?
Well, it's a little bit different for me because I'm not a mom that focus heavily on academics. Because I myself was just an average student in school. I never got an academic prize before, but yet I was at every prize given because I was in speech and drama. So I was always performing there. So I'm there watching everybody collect their prize, but I am not there to collect any. But as Ali said, though, there are certain things that I believe should build like resilience in kids, and we have a part to play too as parents, you know. So let's say you're putting in a too good panda bookwork because sometimes your brain just not develop to that level as yet, Damien. You get what I'm saying? You maybe want them to do a little sports, but them go play football. So if them not get a prize for the academics, they might get it for football. If they don't get it for football, let them get it for perfect attendance. There's something there for them to aspire to. Not say nothing that he did was right, but we will face this even in the workplace. You will be the person with the first class honors degree and you will not get the job. And this our children have to know as well too.
Facts. Yeah, that's why I tell my son, I say, listen, the world is not going to bend to appease you or to please you or to make you happy. You have to just grow a tough skin. But in the same breath, I support him and I show him kindness and tenderness because I know that the world is not going to show him. But I tell him,
Earl is not going to show him that, but you have
it won't be
to.
easy. Yeah.
One thing I got ensure, no matter how bright my son is, I make sure I learn a skill within.
Have to.
Yeah, in order to
And
the
I
world.
would encourage people as well too. I was saying to my brother the other day, everybody is going to that job interview with the degree because that is what they ask for. For example, right? They say that for you to get in, you have to have a first degree. So everybody that they shortlist has the first degree. So what is going to make you stand out? It has to be personality. It has to be personality. So if you, me can tell you this, if you have your 9 grade 1 them, you're not going to get the job over somebody who have the personality and they have 5 threes.
Jody,
They have 5 threes in whatever subject. They're going to get the job if they have the right personality.
Personality where? In Jamaica, because in Jamaica is basically you know somebody, your cousin, auntie, uncle, I know somebody want the job and I say get the job. Links, networking. We call it networking, that's the fancy word, but links is what run it. So you're really not.
Hold on, the lady. Hold on, there. I'll check for the girl that takes it from. Hello.
How are you?
I'm here. I'm talking to my girlfriend. So, I'm not playing game right now.
Okay,
We're getting married and we are planning our wedding date. So I will play back with you, okay?
You're
after I
planning
finish.
your wedding day on TikTok?
Yeah, with my fans. I'm a celebrity. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I'll come back and play. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah. That's how you have to do. Yeah. Go on.
Jody, in Jamaica, Jody, a straight links. Like, that's how you get by here. So they already
So
know.
well, yeah, Ali, where you tell me saying that Jamaica your qualification, you might have the qualification, but as somebody we know somebody link you upon the somebody there.
That's how it work. Yes, that's exactly how it work in most industries in Jamaica. And even some businesses, major companies are family run companies, major organizations. You understand? Me know one organization where growing up it was a church that was in charge of the organization. Like one of the church members were big manager in the company, and every time somebody get job in other company, is a church member. Is a church member. So you couldn't work there unless you went to the church.
How many we
No,
have in this? How can I place that?
yeah,
No, sir.
seriously. So
Oh, God.
it's a networking kind of run it here. You have to know somebody.
But I'm not necessarily against that though, Ali, because the truth is, let's say for example, you went to university, right? And you were in a class with different people. That's why you had friends, that's why you had groups, because you're going to branch out into other places. And you're telling me there's somebody, let's say that you're working in the bank, for example, right? And you're a teller and you see one of your friends from that was in your group at school. Are you gonna let them join the line, or would you say come on up? You know, so
Yeah.
it's a part. I just say go.
Yeah,
It's
it's networking
everywhere.
pretty much. Yeah, it is. It definitely is. And it's networking. That's a fancy term.
Yeah, so and that's why I say personality is important, because if you're just bright and in your shell, who's gonna remember your name?
Yeah, true. I kind of stand out.
Yeah, I
Same thing.
remember I did a coursework with a girl, right? Ali, we did the identical coursework, right? Identical. And like the pass mark, let's say it was 60. I got the 60 on the dot and she got 59. You know what I think? I think my score was actually 59 as well, but the lecturer remembered my name.
Yeah, because
And
you
she said, you know what, Jody, always a participate. She maybe always a talk. Let me bump it up and make she pass. Those things happen. I've lectured before, and when I see some of the papers come in and like me, I say, no man, the student always a call me, always, I want help with the work, show interest in it, da 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 da. You see them score, and you see the score too low, you go kind of bump it up a little bit for them. You get what I mean? So it happens, I'm telling you, because it's all human being behind these things. So when you see that name there, which is why universities try to use like we call it the numbers instead of names, because when you see the name you're like, oh my god, Ali's always participating in class, she's always bringing in the coursework early, she just need 2 points to pass. You're gonna bump it up with the
Well, on
two
the guy,
points.
well, on the Jojo. So when somebody, he say, no, Mr. Something there, and he used to call him name. Maybe we must say. And maybe he may experience him. Hiya, boss. Send him a request. The man said, no, principal. And he used to call him, really, Jody, because you hide him better for me. One say, Mr. Jackson. Hiya.
Night. What's up?
I say, you know, a principal, yeah.
Yes, Mr. Jackson, he was our principal at Brighton All-Age School, and trust me, that gentleman, he used to call us some names. You know, he was not a nice principal, honestly. I book up on the Ascot inflation and situation, and me I say, boy, I same used to handle us at Brighton College School.
Oh. But you graduate to the gun, though.
Yes, I am the first all age graduate Brighton graduate for Calabar High School.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Nice,
Yeah,
congrats.
so until I think he never was our principal in ninth grade. I don't remember the principal name in ninth grade. In ninth grade, sorry, but he was my principal in seventh grade and eighth grade. But I remember an incident when I just started seventh grade. I'm not gonna lie, my average was lower, but I know say me have potential and that man there, him put it I'm say no, it was a shift school and him place my seventh grade I want back of one class where we only I get 1 to 2 teacher for them time there. I remember an incident with in eighth grade. He used to call us hoodlums. What hoodlums?
He used to call him so?
He used to call us hoodlums. He used to say
you must know what that means now as a big man.
so yeah, them tell them never know what it means. So now we know what it means and I say, boy, hoodlums he used to call us. Go to your class and you do the hoodlums and bag of something. So
Hey, you're saying clever. You see word we're using as a bad man.
so yeah, I know I'm still.
That's additional work. Him that going to go look up what that mean. That's what he was doing. Yeah. Jody, you know who him remind me of? You know Joe Clark, right, Jody?
Joe Clark. Mm-mm.
From Lean on Me with when name the Morgan Freeman man, the movie with Lean on Me with this when him going to the school and I try to transform.
I change about pitney them.
Yeah, harsh for the kids. So me feel like this man probably try to become a Joe Clark. So
It seems like he's already that way though, Ali.
Yes, I'm with the man.
Yeah, because if I'm from this man time, a long time.
Not in 2026. As when the artist we did a talk the story. He said in 2026. Hey, me never know what's also things that's strict in our school now. Teacher not supposed to lick no picnic like how we used to get licked and do certain things. They can't get on like,
and I think that's the problem. The older folks are not coming up to date with what is happening. You can't do that.
Yeah, but then we used teacher used to fling out dust stuff. When you used to get
right, them have them special leather belt for you out of order.
Wicked something there.
Wicked something.
Jesus, God in heaven.
I remember me they have one grade 6 teacher, she have one special belt. Me say one day she take it up for wheel it after me and me hold on upon her hand, you see? I said, don't you dare, you're not my mother.
How will happen after that?
Me did bad in a school when me did primary school day, me had bad fight.
Send home Jody.
Choke boy pitney. Yeah, man, fight assistant teacher. I had issues. I used to fight, yep. I used to fight. Yes, they man. One girl kick on my jock's ball and me just chuck on her. Yeah, me used to fight them. Yeah, that's why I'm telling you.
So why him get famous now? Ayaka, you look like they want something there. They want the popularity.
They're gonna ask him to resign.
Yeah, because the children boards they have some children advocate people where stand with kids and them him under pressure that them are actually true Jody.
Yeah. And just to show that the ministry is doing something, they're gonna ask him. They're gonna meet with him and ask him to resign.
Damn. And in that sense, sometimes you can't look on it away. Maybe he might do it in a way just for he feels so good about the kids and get carried away about the one who passed. But no, this man at them is a fam. But then
no, I think he wanted to punish the ones that didn't pass. He wanted them to feel bad.
And that's
humiliation for
yep.
There is nobody.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm humiliated. That's what his intention was, right? Because me just attend a graduation and what they did to show the exceptional graduates, even though it wasn't a lot. I think everyone that got over, like, I'm not sure if it's like 70 or 80, they wore like a red, what you call that now? There's something them put over the gown, and all students had white, and the few students that did really, really well, like above a certain average, which was maybe about 10, I don't think it was even 12 of them, they had red. So you would see that these are like the top performers. If you're doing something like that, fine, because right, everybody else did blend in.
That yeah, but everybody didn't take up to graduate with them go
Yeah.
and something. Come on, man, that's spoil the moment.
Yeah, that was rough.
You
Them
know
are gonna
them
remember
pitney
that
them, you know I tell
forever.
nobody, them 6 pitney they feel away right now.
Them are gonna remember it forever. Them are bring it with them. And see anything them become in a life as an adult, them are gonna use the story as a reference point when
Whether
them
good or
talk.
bad. Whether
Yeah,
good or
when them
bad.
talk. If them do well, them are gonna say, I remember going to primary school when, and if they don't come to anything, them are gonna say that man don't know what him do to me when him do XYZ. So either way, it's going to come back to bite him. But I hope they take it as fuel and become great and use it as a reference point and make him feel bad, because ain't no way you do that to kids, children.
Ali, if you don't mind me asking, what grade is your child in?
Oh, he just graduated 11th grade. So he's
Okay, that's a grown man. Alrighty, so
yeah.
perfect. Did they have like bright class and dunce class
In
in the school?
school,
Yeah.
no. So what they have at school, at high school, is their area, like pretty much your area of specialty. So you have businesses, you have sciences, and you have, I guess, other stuff.
Change and I wanna Jody, them something that we are talking
Yeah,
about.
because we know me used to go through bright class and dunce class. That's the
Yeah, that's
era
how I
which
mean
in
at
I was
primary
in.
A
school.
primary
Yeah.
school, man. When I
No, high school too. High school.
Yeah, true. In
Yup.
true. In
they
some high
put me
school,
in a
right?
class where I
Right to
study.
11th grade.
Yeah, true.
Bright class,
And the
dunce
Dunn
class.
Spitney them used to do well, not for said Dunn Spitney, but the ones who weren't as
Stay, they're afraid to say it. So don't spit me. What do I put there?
one them when they was academically inclined, those did like carpentry and woodwork, and but them set them up better than we.
So then they put me because they know me I did done. Then they make me go learn mechanical.
Them set them up better than how they set up we, you know, Jody, because the one them I guess
Yeah, but I didn't have that at my school. I went to an all-girls school.
Oh, you didn't have like,
So I
you
didn't
never
have
have
none
like
of that. So
fashion
it's either you're in the bright
designing.
class or you're in the dunce class then.
The dance class, them not going like a special skill like one of the dressmaking or something.
Yeah, hairdress, cosmetology,
They normally
dressmaking.
do it.
Yes, they owner, but they didn't give them that, Damien.
Yeah. Well, they're doing that. I know they did that. When I was in high school, they had like the smarter ones were in like 1 to 5, and you got to pick a subjects that you wanted to do, and the ones that weren't as academically inclined had challenges. They got like carpentry and woodwork and some other stuff, right? And so, I mean, after school expectation was enough too. It's a setup either way. Because after school, the ones who did well would go on to various universities, community colleges and stuff. And the ones that didn't do so well would go to Hard Trust NTA with your little skill where you learn and go further that and get your little certificate and move into your skill area. So I think it works either way. But for him,
You see how they set up this thing, yeah? Then set up a few people who don't feel, you know. And that then do, you know.
Yeah.
And
Back
the
then, I'm
people
not sure
who
about
don't,
no. Yeah, but
they
absolutely.
overcome the odds and sometimes turn out ambitious
Yeah.
and progressive more than one. Then we get all of them.
Yeah, I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen some girls that they did in the quote unquote dance class them and they're RNs now and them have them masters in nursing and all those stuff. And people thought that they couldn't pass even their CXC. Them sign up for 8 subject, them get 2.
And I'm going to say this. Things and time change. One time, somebody call themselves don't you shame. Now, don't is glorify. Even
Yeah.
me, when you must see
caused
them
that?
and hear them. And
What
hear man
caused
and
that?
say, huh?
What caused it to be glorified now?
Because the dongs them ask them and they make money.
Not necessarily music. That because music would
Yeah,
glorify
that's not,
music and yeah.
yeah, because
That's it starts.
it go down to when I say because them a scam and I make money and they sing about
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, them sing about it. So anything artist them say, you know, that really goes.
And that
So
them a do. So when a
right.
man can chop a line and make one 50 million, and you have to work about 10 years, you see that farmer money, you might go brag and say, Dunks win, Dunks are lead.
Yeah, so in this case, Ali, I would say that I support Damien 100. So because it's proven otherwise now, that's why people are so proud to accept it, because it's proven that you can be done and
And
still be rich.
successful. And still village. That them are
But
the man too.
once, okay. Mm.
Can you imagine we as a go school and we are work with sack staff and I work hard for own one house and car and one the best with dream car and them man they just come and just do the wrong. We know how wrong them do. And then just jump past we just like that. And I grow up thing and look down upon we. It's all like messed up. Jesus God.
Mm.
But
But
I
you know
rather
what,
work my
Damien, the
way.
only thing that I would say now, if we're supposed to be fair, right, based on what I've seen, the ones that are academias and educated, right, they would more look down on somebody that's quote unquote dunce. But really find dunce, I look down upon people that is saying that they're academias and school and da 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 da.
No,
So
them
I
mock
just
them. Them mock them and laugh after them man.
them mock them and laugh after them, but I don't
Like,
think
let
they
me tell
look
you, you have
down
a
on
man that
them.
just graduate college now and start work and him a drive a nice, one little basic car. Him now driving big GLE and it's just like, and him having big lump of money. Him a look at you and say, you have to go to work, go sit down and work
Right.
here a boss while he might want a boss and he might make, you get what I say? So then those, then look down upon you, you're not in their league. That's how they get to work, you don't speak people them. You can't tell you come there run up at them. So no matter your intellectual and your this and your degree, that mean nothing to them. They are
What's
dumb.
funny though, I think people who do academics and can really do bookwork wouldn't be able to manage certain skills. Like we can't fathom certain skills. I say like people are really, some people are really good at some things, like I don't know how they manage to become so good at it. But I guess it's the position that they were already in and they realize that okay, so this is not necessarily a do or die situation, but they have to kind of push to ensure that they are successful at this, while you look at bookwork and you can go to this little course and you do this and you do that, and other people with their skills, they are so good at it and you wonder how, like for example, somebody who does like really really good grill work and them just artistic and them design some really crazy stuff, and before you know it, Jody, like
Yeah.
them are do really well in them business and them business are just a number one and they didn't do well in
Right.
school. Them
And
can
I'm
be able
happy
to
that
book
those
work.
persons are able to now succeed, as
Yeah,
Damien say,
of course.
because that's talent. That's
Of
talent,
course
and
it
they
is.
should be compensated accordingly.
Yeah, it is.
Even
And
as
you
those
don't speak to
simplest
them.
people, bloggers, I say go for it, because I know that is something that I would not be able to do. So that
Yeah.
means that is something that you have more skills in that than I do.
Right.
Jody, the dunks man, them look down not just on people who get college degree and something. They look down on, hey, let me tell you this. They look down on people like me too. You just look on then just judge them success off of where you have and where them are. That's how them not know, like say, you special from them. And guess what I notice now? You see some of the college graduate and some of the brains box them. Some of them are head up the scamming ring to another. Them in a big time to another. You see, them the
Yeah.
people were intelligent and smart and bright with it.
Yeah, them know if you put stuff together, yeah, for you know find
Have them
out.
them
Yeah.
there. So
Exactly. An accountant can run it. An accountant, if you hire an accountant for your business, an accountant can rob your business and you never find out, Remember,
never find out. Never.
because that's
Yeah.
his skill set. Him know if hide the money. An accountant know if find the money that's missing for you, and him know if hide it from you as well, so you never find it. Right? So educated people know how to go around stuff as well. Why wouldn't they? Them know how to do it. So just one of them things there. Just you know
I
how to
would
use
never
your
encourage none of my kids them to be downs. I want to follow that route. More than get the best of the best because them say education are the key to success. That's what they taught us back then. But for me, ambition. is the key to success. I don't know if you
Yeah, yeah,
disagree
you
with
have
me.
to have, you have to
I
ambition, you have to
support
have
that
drive.
because they man,
So
some people just honestly cannot manage the book. They just cannot manage, even if they're in the class sitting in that test center, drives them crazy. They just cannot manage the book, but they are creative otherwise.
yeah.
So I tell my niece, listen, do what you can do best because you can make money anywhere. So if book work enough for you, no pressure yourself.
Yeah, or
Go
do
do
something that
ear,
you
go do
love.
nails, but make
Right.
sure that you're good at it, consistent, discipline, stuff like that.
Right, facts.
Hi, Amelia.
Hi.
You finished college?
Hi, Jody. Hi, Ali.
Hey, Amelia.
Daddy.
You finished college?
Sadly, not yet, but I really want to.
Which one of man then you that talk to? Dunks are educated.
I wouldn't just label it. So I just have to speak to them and see where their minds at. Because what people classify as done sometimes is not done. It's just that they're not academic, like Jody was saying. Because you could be hands on. You could
But you
take
know, but what's up?
entire engine, like car apart
But
with
Amelia,
your
you
bare
know, say
hands.
society. First thing when I notice, I especially when I watch like movies from overseas, let's say overseas. It happened in Jamaica. First thing then say, oh, what's your major? Um, which college do you attend? Hey, what's up? Hey, which college do you go? What's your major? All of them some look at things that are pertaining to school and education. Like them judge you off of that in a foreign country. Is that so? Like they want to know.
It depends on the place.
Huh?
It depends on the environment.
Yeah, but
Some places they don't care about that stuff. Some
I
places they
agree with
literally don't
Amelia.
care.
It has to do with
oh,
the
It depends on your
environment.
some
environment.
place
Yeah.
them okay. 'Cause if me go over there now and they ask me what my major, I me say
No, but they would need to ask you that. Okay, like if
no,
you're
no.
studying
Tell
in
me
a,
first text. Say me a roll, I'm a roll, I'm a drive one of the where vehicle name again? Lamborghini. When you step
oh
out,
my
you
goodness,
oh, you mean, oh my goodness. You know, we can scream out that.
it could have been a Porsche. But okay, go ahead.
But no man, Lamborghini is the car man. You don't know that man? The Chris Brown
Yeah,
thing.
they're nice, but a Porsche Macan is more practical. Yeah, practical and it fast too. A Porsche Macan GT fast.
I know about Porsche GT. What are you talking about?
Anyways,
What are
that's
you
not the
talking
point.
about?
Continue, continue,
That is
continue.
Ali and Jody know what you're talking about.
And my son's favorite car, I think, are the Porsche or Cayenne or the Macan. But his
Jody.
favorite car is
The
the
Porsche
Porsche.
Macan is
Damon,
so
when you call
nice.
me in if I don't know nothing about no fancy car.
Sorry, right. I know you're not
You
going to
know,
give
let's
that.
stick to your Lamborghini. Let's stick to your Lamborghini.
Yeah, jump out of my Lamborghini. Then I go question me like, hey, what's up? What do you do for a living? I'm going to tell him, say,
I think
Okay,
they may
okay,
ask
I
what you
see what
do
you
for a
mean.
living.
Yeah,
Say that you're a
living.
blogger.
blogger.
It's
Yeah,
a big
that's it.
thing. It's a big thing, yeah.
Hey, who did I think say blogger would have been labeled as something successful? But then,
Yeah.
the time we had a time and come off a damn phone and a computer. Look on the youth and him, I shot speed. Jesus God, he rich, so till
It's
the one
not
that
a
come at
little bit
Jamaica
more
come turn up on the
trendy.
counter.
Really?
A stream and the man do a rich, and
Man,
top
I'm
of the
not
world,
flipping at tasties.
yeah, man. And the mother then show the video when the mother run him off. The man not take book, The man have a college degree or diploma, You know that to Amelia. Stream. The man just spend one,
Yeah.
Then run him, the mother say,
But he's very athletic though, so he could have
yeah,
a future
athletic.
in sports. He could end up in that
The mother
direction.
say, what are you doing inside stream? Say, get off the computer and go to your bed. Yeah, man, I show about them video there. And now you want to see him mother when he must stream.
David asked Ali the same question. I want to hear which one she prefer. If for the
No, no,
academias or the
not.
No,
dons.
man, Ali, I don't to her girl. Ali just want a man where she knows if she married him, she can't get part of her assets and she good.
No, but what you say about I Show Speed though? What me notice with that little guy, cause I never hear about him before him plan him tour. Or when him tour planner, everybody start to talk about him. So who is this I Show Speed? Anyway, what I notice about him is his charisma. This dude talk to every single body. Him so acceptable. Him seem likable. So if him a stream, everybody go follow him. Cause him just like Kai Sinat, them have this lovable personality where them just get along with people, them fun, them friendly. And I Show Speed appear to be very humble and friendly as well. I think when him go the Caribbean, them say him just keep eating, and like somebody was saying, them don't know how we manage to eat so many different foods and just a go and a go. A lot of us would shut down like from the second country, we shut down, we don't want to talk
Come
to
on, yeah,
nobody.
leave a canyon cheap at good. We'd have thought, we'd have feel upset already.
Exactly.
But him just go and go and go, and it's some, I guess he's, some people are made for certain things because he must be made for that because he does it well. Kaisina too, a lot of us couldn't do it, so I guess anything will come from it in terms of success they really deserve because I do well at it.
So, if my son get up and say, I want to be a streamer, I buy him the equipment then. Come on, know what it do for me.
Immediately.
Immediately. What you have to do? Brother, I say, son, see something in them, man. Stream if you want to stream, but still there, you know, pay attention to your academics and make sure you get a growth.
Right. As best as you can. Because if you don't have the
One
ability,
thing to
you just
learn.
don't.
Yeah. Jenny, this change slogan, education is not the key to success. Ambition. Me know a woman, we sell a market.
I like that,
Have a
Damien. I like that.
two-story house. We should take 12 years and build. And you want to see it now, pretty like money. And a market that the woman they buy stuff, go Coronation Market, go buy and open up a big stall at Spanish Town and sell. When she sell all the camp man them buy for her because she buy in a bulk. I run partner. If you want think named partner, then I
That's
run
why
partner.
people can't look down on other people.
Don't look down on nobody because they're better than them.
Yep,
Trust
that's
me.
true.
Take it from me. When I remember experience like when I have my shop and I do work. The top of the top principal, everybody check me with them car what. Look at them bright, educated, but what? The little corner boy we used to work at some little corner place and learn one skill. The toughest of the toughest person have to come to me. You understand? And I may fix them vehicle. And me them I give them vehicle for drive. And for go fix and carry back. I may say, look at that. You understand? I didn't get that education, but I sure have ambition. And whatever I put my mind to, I achieve it. I'm a go-getter. And I am the prize. Any woman get me, then get Jesus.
All right, nobody bring this tour go a different way, okay? You're going to say you're the prize and you know Ali are going to take you on.
Jesus.
I am the prize. Me.
You want,
Oh my
you want
goodness.
be the prize. Just put up, make we buy a bow, put pan him Jody and wrap in paper since you want be the
Yeah, the
prize.
prize.
Why are you the prize, Damien?
Huh?
We want to know why are you the prize?
I am like, I tick all the boxes that a lady wanted.
For example,
I can cook. One, I'm a good lover. Two, I'm a provider. Three, I'm kind.
are you 6 feet tall?
I'm 6'2".
Oh, wow. You really do have all the sixes. Do you? You have all the sixes, right?
Hold on. I'm not done. I'm chocolate. My lips them seductive.
That's on mute, but never want to laugh out.
Amelia, oh, you're speechless, so I want you. Cook, lover, provider, kind.
Because I'm ready.
When I reminisce the
Yeah.
people.
Real Tommy said, not the zooming. No, it's zooming actually like the family. So you're not going to the affection, the word reflection.
Wait, so hold on. All of these things make you a prize?
Touch your heart, me, darling. Please and thanks.
All of these things make you the prize?
Well, I know. I'm going to say something to you, Amelia. Would you marry a man with $6,000 to his account? Okay, listen cleanly. Or would you marry a man with $2 million to his account? Which one of them you'd marry? And you like both of them, you said, way.
The one that has respect? The one that
Listen now. It's a
wait, no, but
straightforward
you ask
question. Hold
it's not a
on, hold on.
straightforward
It's
question.
a
It's not.
straightforward question. And I'm saying
It's
to you,
not.
you like both of them the same way. You and them compatible, same traits, everything. But one have 6,000 and one have 2 million. Which one would you choose? It's an easy question. Ali and Jody will answer easy, so you can answer that.
On time, expeditiously.
Come, which one? I
I have to
never
think
6
about
mil.
this.
You have to think one have 6,000, one have 2 mil, and you have to think about it.
Yeah, I
Jamaican
have to
or
think
US?
about it because
Each one of them have this said, Jesus.
no,
Yeah,
I
they have the
understand what
same
you.
everything else, same personality, have the same values, everything. What he's saying, the only difference is just the money.
You know, really for them question, yeah. Jody, Ali, take it away.
You see
No,
me
me should
know
have
where
put
you
Ali.
go
Hold
with.
on, Ali. It's not fair. Because I know which one I got to take already. So, I waste my time with it.
You know which one me go take. Me not understand.
I take the 2 mil one.
Oh,
Hear the laugh in there. Hear the laugh in there.
why
Hear
you
the laugh in
asking
there.
me to take it 2 million? Tommy, don't worry, you laugh. Why you asking me to take it 2 million?
I
Why?
live at Jamaica. I live at Jamaica.
I want $6,000 really go do for 2 away.
Huh?
What $6,000 go do for 2 away?
Ask Amelia because she think about it.
Oh, don't get wrong me.
Ask her.
Amelia, would you take the six? It's not US, it's Jamaican dollars. Would you take the 6 or the 2 million or the 6,000? I guess this need context, but like I'm not giving no context, we just have to talk from when give it. And
But
from what
Jody explained it good for me a while ago. She laid it out good.
what Jody say?
But Jody explained to me
Jody,
again.
They are identical except their bank account. So they have the same values, same everything, same financial discipline, everything that you would want, except the bank account balance is different.
yeah. Well, you know what? To be honest, this is just such a vague question because you go really want to know how him only have 6 and how him come by 2, which I go open up a whole can of worms. But if you're looking at it from a surface level, why would you pick the one with the less? It's just money. I mean, the one with more, you probably can do more with that, I would think, than the one with less. And it's just me being honest. Like, me really gonna leave somebody with 2 million, go talk to somebody with 6 million for prove a point. Which point will me approve? My like struggle.
Amelia,
Me like suffer
talk to me.
relation.
Amelia, where you there? Ami,
I guess I can't answer because I don't see this question as surface level. Like that's why I can't answer because it is surface level. It's just too surface level.
Struggle, tell me.
Because here's the thing. Damien wants us to say he wants us to choose the one with the
I
higher
want the
money so he
6,000.
can prove his point. Like
Yeah, but
he
he's
likes
not
to
doing
hear
it.
people
hold
say more
on.
money.
You get
He
this,
likes to hear that.
get a man, see, for better your life, and you make sure Damien think you worry about it choosing.
For me, it's a multiple choice question. Why are we trying to write an essay? It's not an essay
Exactly.
question,
It's
it's a
like a
multiple
essay chamber, right?
choice.
Amelia, this is my point that I want to prove now. All right, so, all right. Remember now, you are very young, so you have time to think about this because you see where Jody and Ali life is right now, them have a different mindset. That's why this is why I ask the question. And I expect to get the answer there for you to more likely, which I surprised, knowing that you are somebody in your early 20s. Like Jody and Ali are look for stability. Them now look for build a man right now. You understand? For them days of building, they want somebody will come at the ball field. Maybe half and half or 3/4 or 3/4, whatever. Then not time for that now. So I just say thing there. So you see the difference, Amelia? So Amelia, you know you're young, so I expect your answer, which is not a bad answer. You maybe can try with a guy with 6 grand, and maybe in a 4 or 5 year time, you turn the 6 grand in a 2 million together, which me doubt that happen in America in a then time and stuff. Yeah. But I saw you go.
Amelia, my advice to you as a young lady in your early 20s, right? And I was trying to give this advice in a chat on somebody else's life. Please do not waste your best years in a no struggle situation, mama. Do not waste your best years in no struggle situation.
That is true. I can support that because what I think, just to add to what Jody is saying, if somebody is not financially stable, they're maybe not at their, and that means they're not at their best, right? And you're going to pick them up now and date them, and in most cases build with them as a woman. When they become their best, you're no longer what they desire, and it's just a fact. I don't care who want to tussle with me tonight, fight me or whatever. It's just a fact. You're just no longer what they desire. Once they become the best version of themselves, they start thinking they can do better than you, and it's
And they
something that,
trying to find somebody better
But
looking
they
than
can. The truth is that they can. They
right, because
can
the
at that
value
time.
gone up.
Because
Right,
what they are valuing is youth. And at some point in time, you will not have that anymore.
right, right.
Hey, like funny as you mentioned youth. I remember 20 years ago, oh, me I look back and I reflect life. I was like 23. And like me no know where life I go take me. Like me I ask God say, which route me fi take? Me do this, me feel what me feel. It's like yeah, tell us say if 30 come, cause them always say if the age come off of almanac, you're old. So yeah, I say, God, you reach 24, certain things not happen for you, you reach 25, yeah, I say, what is? You reach 26, nothing now go on for you, said we. 27, you still at search. 28, Jesus God, yeah, I say, Lord God, me turn coffee now, cause I'm 28 and I don't have nothing. 29 come. You start saying, Lord God, I 2 more years, me have left on the almanac to God help me. We didn't see 31 come here, you know. You hear one man up the road that used to talk to you, and you ask him his age, you say, I'm 42 years, you know. Why, but too bad, me I just 31, so although me age I go come off all me not in my 41, so I'm gonna do this much of my life to that. And at that me have to thank continue. Each time the age barrier come is like me I try justify the time. And I say me have the time. Yeah. I know that me look back, me I say, yo, sometimes you can't measure your success with age. You have to just go for it. Like if I did have the mindset here from in my 20s, I would be a wealthy man now. But me as I tell myself, so I have time. If you understand me, I get to. Stop telling yourself say you have time to achieve this. Try get to it now. Try make the pathway or go for it from now. Don't wait till
So
you reach 40 or you reach late. We know sometimes the opportunity can present itself, but stop. Measure your success with age and say, oh, we still have enough time. It's like a woman have a child at 30. Oh, we still have enough time. And so when you reach 35, you're at high risk. You know what look away there? So you start to think and I try to give yourself more time, which you can't do this now. That's what I try to say. You can't do it now. You don't have to wait till the time. And that's one of the mistakes I make. And what I look back and I say, God, with the mindset of me have fun, me have this go and drive for a long time. Why I never believe in myself, say, I could have did. Why I be complacent and say, oh, me can't do that when me at the age and me can't do that. And you understand? It's not like a good example to set. Just go for it from the get-go. When you see the opportunity, go for it. That's the only regret me have in my life. I never go towards my goal from early.
so what do you think of some of the things you do differently now? You say go for goal, right? And that's general, but what are some of the things that you did that you think brought you to a level of success as opposed to before? I know you say fear and all of that, but what you think of one, like maybe just one major thing that you did that changed your life for you?
One major thing when I do now, Ali, to be honest, I have to believe in myself. I never believe in myself. When you're young.
Yeah, cause
Yeah.
mine, you want anything you tell yourself, everything I go fall behind that. So if you tell yourself say I'm not good enough for this, you go forever not be good enough. But if you start pushing yourself, you can do this, It a go happen. That is
Yeah,
true.
I never believe, brother. So that's why I can tell younger version of person who have grown up, yo, set your goal and work towards it and believe in your dream, believe in your success, believe you can achieve it.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't tell us, so, oh, you see this thing where you think about you have enough time, and that a break enough away. And that is a blockage enough away, bro. Because we say, oh, me in my 30s, so me have enough time for just go for the damn something now. The cup the right that's up on the table, you can't go for it. Stop talking about you have to go drive around this or come around this up to go for the little cup. Just
But
aim for it and believe in yourself and go for it. Take chance. The best chance you can take are when you're young. When you reach certain age, you don't have them time to take the chance there.
true.
Yeah, when you're young, you can take chance and whatever happens. It's come like relationship. Certain chance you take in a relationship when you're young, you cannot make those mistakes again when you reach certain age.
Yeah,
Because
that's
it's going to be detrimental in relationship terms. You understand? So you have to go for it from early. Damien, big up yourself. Thanks to the
But
rose.
sometimes too, I think that sometimes you need to go through certain life experiences, and that's what's going to build your character and prepare you for your success, right? But also to look at this thing, and me not use this as an excuse because I'm of a certain age. I think the first 20 years of your life, and this is for argument's sake, it can be less. We can arguably say the first 16, 18, but I just put it at 20. First 20 years of your life is for your parents. This is where they're going to nurture you, build you, send you to school, help you, whatever, and build you to put you out as an adult in society. The second 20 years of your life, which is between 20 to 40-year-old, is yours. This is where you can either sink or swim. You would possibly make a lot of mistakes here, but you can still become successful between the 20 and the 40s, right? But this is not the age where you're going to blame your parents for your lack of success and keep looking back and say, oh, them never this and them never that. This is your time now to, if you want to go university, take 4 out of the 20, you still got to have what, 16 years leave. And
Facts.
you qualify yourself or whatever. But after that first 40 years, you still have another 20 years where you can become again. So between 40 to 60, because I was looking at the average like work age or even the average age where people live to, and it usually is between like them 60 something, right? Even between 40 to 60, if you never accomplish anything in your first 40 years of life, you can still do what you want between those ages and become successful. Majority of people become successful at the age of what, like 40 to 42, 43. Yeah, that's when majority
One
of
rich
people become
lady in a
successful.
comment I say no.
What's it now? But
One rich
anyway,
lady.
okay. But anyways, this is where you people usually become rich or
Now let's
wealthy
just talking to
or
you, Ali. Would you want to be a wealthy woman in your 30s and 40s or be a wealthy woman in your late 60s and 70s? Which one of them you gonna take if you take one?
well, my 30s already passed.
No, me just put it say you never pass. Just
Yeah, yeah, but I did well in my 30s and I'm going to do well again in my 40s. But I prefer to do well younger so I can live to experience more from the wealth. So I can probably have more energy for travel, I can invest in my child, I can spend more time with him, give him more life experiences from my wealth, right? So that when I'm older and I can't do as much, at least I know I'm doing in my younger days for him and for myself, and I can sit down and rest and take my time. But I'd prefer it at an age where I can enjoy certain things and set up my child in a certain ways and ensure that him good going off into society. So yeah.
yeah. I'm gonna show you something, Jody. I'm on you look. Tell me what you see.
Bedroom or the baby sleeping on the bed?
You see the bedroom there?
Yeah.
Right there, so was like be a bush you see there so.
You have floating bed, you have style, Damien.
Our mango tree.
Julian and that
I know,
you
me
have
do.
for you.
Oh, sorry.
Me stand up on a mango tree and I say, yo, this is gonna be a bedroom one day. And if you know, so I sit down there under the mango tree and you see mango. And now, when I sit down on the bed, me and say, Ratted, it was a mango tree before.
Yeah, now you have one bed afloat in there.
What do you think give me the drive there?
What do I think? What?
What do you think give me the drive there?
The kids.
Huh?
The kids.
Alright, Jody looking here upon the hammer.
Ali.
That's what give me the drive.
Him always mix you up in a Jody.
Always.
Hold on, I would have routed this. I owe me talk. I owe me say, hold on, stick up it.
Sound like Jody?
Well, me always a mix up it all in the
Him always I call Ali Jody. I call Jody
Yeah.
Ali.
No, it wanna just, we can't bother with it. Me have to go put, listen.
We give it the
Jody,
same vibe.
Jody, listen to me. You see that name the way you have? Yeah, I get pan. If you did there in front of me right now, my hold my hand and just go with that. Change the name.
Yeah, I need to change it. I was thinking about that today. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put the Jody up there.
Put the friggin' Jody there. Put
Yeah.
the Jody tablet or good old Jody or something. Anything you want.
No way. I would not attach anything, any slang to my name. No. No.
Why?
Just not my style.
You're telling me about the mango tree. Tell me no. Him get it together because I'm kids
I'm
then.
telling you, no, a whole heap of things that now the mango tree there. If you don't know what I mean, look on my face.
Lord God damn, man.
Yeah, a whole heap of things that now the mango tree there. The mango tree there was fun. Yeah. The mango tree there was fun. You never get it on a mango tree yet. Come like me drop one pin, none of you never get it on a mango tree yet or something. Ali. Hear there, you hear there.
I understand why you're having the white. Listen, no put me back high top. Put somebody inside top because every minute you
No,
talk
damn it. You'd have to bring up somebody else.
Tommy,
No,
Jody,
what I'm
Tommy
just
say
saying,
Aki
you never-
tree. Tommy
you
what
never-
happened to Aki tree? Tommy, what
I
happened to
never
Aki
get on a
tree?
mango tree yet. Me take off the pram, so I change the topic little. Me just
No, Davia, no.
No, Ali, you?
Man, no.
I mean, like, you live a foreign, so maybe I want to look
I'm not in this. I'm not. I'm not in
Maybe I
this.
want to tree that will change when snow time comes.
Amelia, if I ask that she had the youngers, we had the grand.
What?
We don't
No, you
discuss
can't.
that here.
She don't live in Jamaica, so we can't ask her that. She's in Brooklyn. She's in
So no
America.
tree no there, Brooklyn.
Only when a summer, only summer they did it. No,
They still have the tree trunk, you know, just the leaf them gone.
no, he leave. I the little action.
Oh yeah, you're right. You see, you're professional with the tree, man. Cause we never think about the leaf.
There. That's how you go. Yeah, man. But on a serious note, yeah, this is what me like. It give me drive. As I always say, I'm a kids them. I'm the reason why I use kids, for example. Most people tend to say that, oh, I don't want kids. I want to do one topic about female who say they don't want kids. And them justify it by, oh, it's my body. I do what I want. I don't want to be listen, I want to be a dolly forever. I'm not going to, you know what I mean? And I'm just saying, some of the time, kids can be good. No, kids can be bad for some person, but kids can be a driving force.
Yeah.
And that's what drive me.
True.
And I can say this, my kids then drive me to a different extreme because the drive that I have and the ambition, I tell myself, listen, I have these responsibilities, so I have to do better. I have to drive myself to do better for them to have a better life. I don't want them to come live the life that I live because the life that I live wasn't pretty. You understand? So I always tell myself, say, yo, for me, my kids them drive me.
Yeah, I agree with you, Jody. Somebody has to do it. We already did it once and sat down. So somebody else can do it twice, three times, 4 times, 5 times.
Yeah, and I lift my hat
Yeah.
to the persons that can do it 5 times.
That's
When it's
not
at 5 times, my last, you don't answer, come on, looking at comment.
5 kids, 3 kids, 4 kids, 5
Who have
kids.
5 kids? Who have 3 kids, 5 kids?
No,
No,
what
we're
we're saying is
saying
that
we
kids
have-
are important. They're necessary for the population, right? Because the population has to continue to exist, right? And grow and stuff like that. So Ali and I is saying that we contribute or one. So
That is good.
There are
Listen,
other-
if
right.
every woman contribute one, we're good. But some
Right.
man say, oh, I don't want to pick me. I don't want to oh, where pick me and go. Cause when me breed, man, I left me and way, and like,
I mean,
come on.
some
Become
will
a baby
contribute
mama.
for, so it offset the person that don't want.
The worst, you know what? I heard somebody said the other day, the worst thing to be is a baby mother or a baby father, and I think is a TikToker and him famous. And when I'm looking at me, I say, yeah, it's true. There's no reward in that. I am so sorry. It's not rewarding. No, I'm not saying that I don't love the child. I love the child with everything in me, right? And I would never ever do anything to hurt the child or drop. But the worst thing to be is a baby mother. That is what is that? What? It's not even a title.
All
It's
right,
not.
Jordan.
Right.
Yeah, Ali. We can look on it the way that I wish. I appreciate your opinion, but you have to look on it two way. Was it ordained for me and you to be together forever, whether by marriage or boyfriend and girlfriend?
I
So
don't know
anyway you
what.
take it,
I don't
hold on.
know.
Anyway you take it, if me and you decide to have a marriage and we're married for 10 years and we left, what would you consider me as and what would I consider you as?
Ex-husband. I have my children from my ex-husband, and my ex-husband. I'm not gonna say him ex-wife.
All right. The
Children. Yeah.
ex-husband must say ex-wife. You can't
I'm
say
not gonna
baby
say
mother
I was
because,
not his
well,
baby
Anna,
mother. I was his wife.
no, but that is the thing. Woman glorify titles, and it always be the head of the discussion. Why most ladies like the titles mean
Yeah,
different.
honestly, I didn't even know she was speaking about the title. I thought she meant to be a parent at all, was not
No,
No, she
not
said
rewarded. But
ex-wife.
the
You
the
know,
title,
all
Ali,
right,
come
title.
on.
No,
You
it's
know
not
the
the
difference
title.
between no, well, Ali, you see
No,
the words where you use ex-wife like that
Right.
is
Why mother?
something
If
to be
you're a baby
proud
mother,
of.
ex-wife, you're still,
Baby mother,
it's
you're
still
still
not
a
a
baby
two-parent
mother,
household.
right? So
no, no.
Ali, it seems like it's a title for you.
No.
Be honest.
It's not a title for me, but I think I don't really care much about a lot of things, but I think you get more people view you differently when you are a wife than you are a baby mother. And I don't, if you guys want to negate that, then that's fine. That is just a fact. When you're a wife or even an ex-wife, people look at you differently than you're just a baby mother. It's just a fact. Listen, it's one child I have. I don't have nothing to be ashamed of. But I'm
Well,
just
go
saying
buy
this.
a
I
marriage
don't
then.
think, huh?
Buy a marriage then, if the title is so
No, that's not
important.
gonna change the fact that I'm a baby mom. That's not gonna change the fact.
Oh,
Jordan.
because the person that you
That's
had
not
the
gonna
child
be
with, you
there.
weren't
Yeah, the child is
married.
already
Okay.
right. So it's
Mm-hmm.
not a good. All right. So if I had a daughter and she wanted to have
Ali, let's
children,
raise up like real people here. What the difference if you are an ex-wife or you are a baby mother? Does it you gonna still like did that with the person? What the difference?
yeah. But you
A
see,
baby
with the
mother can mean
marriage
say you live with a
now,
man for 5, 6 years too, or you can marry for
yeah.
6 years. What the difference?
But the marriage showed that you guys had some sort of a commitment and some sort of a covenant, right? Really some agreement to build together, be together, until a family comes into play with that.
What if you
That's
did be there before and then you married her?
that would probably be different still. I mean, at that point, it'd be the wife or the ex-wife if it don't work out.
But you were still the baby mama before you became the wife.
Yeah, but then you're the wife, so nobody refers to you as a baby mama anymore.
The
You're now the wife.
title is really important to you, Ali.
It's
I
very
see that. I
important to
see
me.
that. It's okay. It's okay.
Jody, it is important in society. It is
Where? Where? Where,
everywhere.
Ali?
Jody, it is important.
No, and
Now,
I'm
mind you,
asking
I
you,
don't
like,
mind.
where?
Listen, I don't mind not being married or never being married. I'm just saying the whole baby mother title is just it. The whole everything behind it just sounds different. It just sounds so different, and yet people probably won't agree. But I think even though marriages can dissolve too, because they don't always work out, marriages still get more respect than a whole baby mama, baby papa situation. Because look, all right, here's the thing again, remember with a marriage, usually when it's done correctly, you're married first, then the kids come into play and whatever. So that shows that there was thought put into whatever you were doing. It's kind of different with the baby mama and proper situation, because it shows that maybe you guys were just in a relationship. You're probably not even have plans for stay together long term, and chances are, by happenstance, a baby come into play, right? Which is a case with a lot of relationships or families nowadays. So that is just my thing.
So
I
Ali,
don't
you know, I'm always going to ask the question for you to talk a little bit more, right? So if you had the choice, right?
you
You're
think I'm an
married.
interrogated liar,
Listen, you're married. You have the title that is so important to you. And you have the child within the marriage. Hold on, mama. Right? But your husband, he is going out for drink a night time, or he might get good money, but him not spend it good, da da da. But you're now, there's a different situation. You're a baby mama, but your baby father have financial discipline, him have all the values that you need, da, 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 but you don't have the title. Which one would you prefer?
If you put it like that, then I'm going to choose the better situation, right? But let's look at it this way. If I'm in a relationship with somebody and I'm married and something happens to him, what happens if I'm the baby mother as opposed to the wife? When it comes to assets, when it
So,
comes
so it
to
semes like you are more about a gain rather than like a mental
Ali,
no,
peace.
it's not a gain. It's just
so
a
Ali,
fact
on behind this
of
asset
what
thing,
Me
it
say
depends.
anytime money come up, you know, Ali show up herself, you know, as, you don't notice it, baby. She don't ramp when it come on to the money part, you know.
it's not money, Jody. No, it's just a fact, man. When I look at me and say, you know, the baby mother thing really rough for you, because usually a one bag baby mother and baby father, one bag of back and forth, and one bag of back
Nico,
and
I
forth,
saw she go on, she
all of
flip
them shit.
flop. This minute you all gonna say, yeah, she reason good, and the next minute she come with
No, me
some
don't
type
flip
of
flop. Me don't,
madness.
no, and that's what I'm telling you. I'm never going to always be one way. Every topic I may have a different view, and sometimes you don't even come to. And it may be based off my experience as well, right? Because maybe that's why I reason the way I do. All my experiences are not negative, and all of them are not positive. But you can't put me in a box. Never ever do that, because like my mind just different. But
But Ali, what's wrong with you not getting
to me.
anything from a relationship? What's wrong with you walking
Nothing
away
at all, because
empty-handed?
nothing at all, because I'm usually working, and everything I own or earn came from my brain, me using my brain and hands. So nothing. I'm just saying, I don't like when people make reference to me as that. The
Oh,
reference
you know,
is
like the sound.
yeah, I don't
Okay.
like the reference. Like it, I think it just the
You sound
reference.
careless.
Some if kinda ish. It just the reference is just it's a poor reference.
If you did say wife, it would sound more bossy. Like,
And you don't
I'm a
have to say
wife.
wife. Call me by my name. Just call me by my name. That's fine. If you call me by my name or whatever, or even if I say so and so
If I'm going
child
to
mother,
refer to you to
by my
somebody,
dad.
I'm going to say, I'm a baby mother that. It's a who the girl, let me say, oh, I'm a baby mother. As she a demanding mother. What wrong with that? Something wrong with that?
Me
I
yet
think it's in the
big
sense
mother.
that when you
I
say
hate it.
wife, it demands more respect.
Well, when I say ex-wife,
If you say ex-wife, that woman is automatic, usually based on societal means.
well,
She's
you know,
seen as more respectable than if you say baby mama.
stop living a life in
Because
society.
because
No,
Look
but
at
it
it up,
shows
you
that
know.
because no,
you
but it's
had
literally
your
true.
it shows that you had your life and your stuff kind of planned out. You're more
What if
conscious
I
of where
move
you're
on and
going.
And
have a
also
wife? But what if I move on and have a wife? I can move
based
on and
on
have a new
how
wife. What about that?
based on how what people view or what people see every day as baby mama, it's not necessarily a good thing
Yeah,
in
it's not.
many
Most
people's
listen,
eyes. Because
even
what
though
they
it's
think of
portrayed
is,
in movies, it's
yes,
always
what's
drama.
portrayed.
It's
Yeah,
drama. It's
it's
usually portrayed
associated.
with drama.
Okay, I'm gonna be very honest. Here's what a lot. Okay, in the US, they associate baby mama with drama, loudness, poverty, irresponsibility, and looseness. That's literally what they associate baby mama with. That's
Anybody
literally
have
what it's
But in the
associated with.
US is the same country where people buy marriages every day, though, Amelia. So even let's say you buy a marriage, you are still considered to be an ex-wife. So, I mean, I don't get it. It come across a little bit hypocritical because you can go buy it. Go buy a marriage then if you want the title that much, and then become an ex-wife.
Yeah,
But
and
I
then
guess
I don't.
that's
So
very
it's
true.
for
I
me.
don't.
It's not for me. It's not about the title or wanting the title because I don't care if my name never change. I love it. If it doesn't change for the rest of my life, I do not care. I don't intend to change it. But what I'm saying is the whole connotation of that to me just come off some kind of way. Because, for example, people don't even call you by your name anymore. Every time they're referring to you is such and such or the baby mama. No, it kind of annoying. And then no,
It's a Jamaican thing, Ali. Get with
but
it.
then the state acceptable and I'm going to like it. That doesn't say I'm going to like it.
You are my ex-wife, Ali. You love that.
No, I don't love that either. I say we good with my name. Good with my name. We good with my name, man. It's just that it does come with a negative connotation, guys. If you don't accept it, it does come with a negative connotation. Because people look at it like if you guys were let's say, for lack of a better word, compatible or good together, then you'd have been married. People put value on marriage, guys. It's just that it's not respected how it should be, but people really do put value on it.
Marriage a joke thing nowadays. Marriage is something you gotta shop for buy. And I don't believe in
Yeah,
that.
it's a societal thing that causes
It's
people
a
to
thing where
stay in
Ali love.
unhappiness. And
Right.
as I see with marriage now, it just makes people take longer for breakup, basically, because we're married, so we have to fight through this. Like, you just stay in unhappiness for a longer time when you're married.
So Jody, you think like at a certain age, let's say we live to be older people, like really old women, you'd prefer to be old and have a boyfriend still, like 80 and have a boyfriend?
If that's what it comes
Yeah,
to,
mass
I'm not
right, like boyfriend
aspiring
and
for a
girlfriend.
title.
Okay, all
Because
right.
whether or not I have a title, if you ask me if at age 80 I would want a partner by my side, I would say yes. The title doesn't matter. If I have
Title
someone
no
that's
matter.
supportive beside me at whatever age, I'm better with that than a title, and then I'm suffering in misery because I enjoy this title so much.
I mean, you have a point. I guess everybody has,
Everybody can break it down in a for them terms.
yeah, or everybody can agree to something different. Nothing is wrong with what you desire for yourself as opposed to me, but yeah, me not like the idea of baby mother me not like it. So I don't, it's just
Ali,
something.
that means me as a man, if more, we can just tell us more you be my wife and married and you're alright with that and them thing there. And then
No,
now
no,
after I'm
that's
married.
not
But
what it
listen
is.
now, after I'm married, I'm start killing with bun and them something there, but you're not left because you love the title.
See, you missed the whole point. It went right over your head. Right over your head it go. See, Dee says she understand. It's a fact. It is a fact. It is a fact.
I agree with Jody. Jody smart.
And me,
Jody
yeah,
smart.
I'm not smart. That's fine.
No,
Don't get me wrong,
we don't
at one
compare.
point in
Jody is
time, I
very
was at
smart.
that point where Ali is at, where I would say, if I was married, it would be a better look, and I don't want
No,
to
I
be
don't want to
considered
be. I've
like a
never
baby
said,
mom.
but Jody never said me want married.
Me never
You
normally
know
like
what,
the
man,
title,
Ali?
and to this day, I will not call my son's dad my baby father. Like, I've never said that. I would say my son's dad,
Why don't you say a baby father?
because it's
No,
just
she
not the
doesn't
way
use a
that I
different
speak.
terms.
Yeah, that's
That's
what
why I don't want
they men say,
anybody
are
to
just
say a
Jamaican
baby mother.
slang.
I say my child's father as well.
Yeah,
But
but if
that's
somebody
Jamaican
say
terms,
my baby
Ali.
father,
Remember
I
in
wouldn't correct
Jamaica,
them.
that's how we talk. You have to
Yeah, I
remember, say,
wouldn't correct them. If somebody referred to
yeah.
me as a baby mother, I wouldn't correct them and say, no, it's the mother of his child. You get what I mean? It's just the way I talk. I say he's the father of my child.
Well, maybe it's the way I talk too.
Right.
I don't
Ali,
like
they
it.
have persons where they are together, but then can't get their wife pregnant and then got a whatever bank. I'm using the word wisely before that thing say.
Yeah.
And then get a child. And say, if they want to know the issue, it's man say, say that person was way. They just have to marry her or not like that or whatever. People just know say, yeah. And then pick me that and he's the father, the biological father of the child or whatever, even the way you want to look on it. People just want to know say them have them child and that's it and then good.
Yeah.
So whether marriage or relationship, it doesn't guarantee say it's going to be a successful relationship.
No, it doesn't.
Sasik,
It
hold on,
doesn't.
hold on. So Sasik, a superstar. Hold on, me give her away.
Reach up
Sasik,
here.
what you mean, chop here? Me no know.
Hey, good night, guys.
I see.
Sasik, me ask you two questions. We ask the panel.
Lord God.
Although me know answer already still. You don't talk to, if you meet two guys, you love everything about them, tall, chocolate, everything, personality, wise, clock on, everything good. Everything perfect. It was them equally yoke as how you don't want them. One have $6,000 in her name, and one have $2 million. Which one of them will I give a chance?
One of 6,000 and one of US.
Alright, US dollar.
Oh my God. What a question.
Huh?
What a question. It depends on how they treat me.
It two of them cheaters. What me can repeat back when me say it depends. Me say them are cheaters, said damn way. You go up on date with the two of them and you love everything what you get. Secretly and whatever. Which one of them will I choose?
Damon, you always putting me on the spot.
I ask you that 3 ladies and then choose. So I ask you now, just conclude the whole conversation.
What's your decision? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You said both of them treat me the same. All of that. So I don't know. I'll keep both of them.
One have $2 million.
I'll keep both of them.
No man, this Sassy come and put it on a different level.
Good, Sasik. That's a good one. I don't wrong, yeah. Keep both.
I mean, they're both doing what they should. I mean, oh my God. Listen to me, I know my father come and hear me in the last. I went over here chat all type of things and him they are listening. I never know.
Daddy, you got better. You hear your daughter say? Should I take it to them? I'm glad that they are here. Yeah? Yes. Okay. Sassy, if you have a child for your man right now, see? Would you, as long as you get pregnant by a man now, and when him, like, after a while, you didn't stop talk, and him, you don't have a problem with him calling you baby mother, or you don't find it disrespectful, or you'd rather him call you ex-wife? You'd rather it one of them married than him call you ex-wife? Which one of them make a difference to you? You rather the title ex-wife or the one of baby mother? Which one of them you think you'd prefer? That's what I ask you.
Personally, I don't like the term baby mother. You can call me the mother of your child. That's fine. She's the mother of my child. But I don't like the term baby mother. But if I have a child for somebody and refer to me as in baby mother, that's fine. I don't like the term, but I wouldn't feel offended if somebody called me baby mother.
What about if you say, yo, I'm an ex-wife, that no.
That's
It's
okay
like
too.
him and the woman, him and the new wife, and she said, who is that girl? And I said, oh, I'm an ex-wife, man. See right there.
Why would I feel if I'm your ex-wife? I'm your ex-wife. So
Okay.
why would I feel offended by you
I'd
calling me?
rather somebody classify as mother of his child than baby
Yeah, I
mother.
would rather you say the mother of your child than be the mother. But as I stated earlier, especially in Jamaica, be the mother, they refer to it as I don't like it, as I said. But if someone should call me baby mother, that's fine by me. I wouldn't feel offended. But I would prefer you say the mother of my child. She's the mother of my child.
You know, enough women get turned on by the title of baby mother.
Get what?
Get turned on and feel hype up about the
No,
baby
see
mother.
that. I can't feel hype up about that.
You have some woman hype up about it. Now the ghetto, when I go in the ghetto, I'm a good baby father. So I'm a good baby mother there. What?
Guess where you're going? And you bring the point right home. It's a ghetto thing.
Because it's a Jamaican thing. And most Jamaican
It
slang
is a Jamaican thing.
generate from the ghetto. You don't know that alien live in Jamaica?
No, it's not even a Jamaican. It's a ghetto thing. It's not Jamaica alone. Because I know people abroad who mention to their baby's mother as their baby mama. It's not Jamaica alone, right? But I think to me, it's sort of shows a little bit of a Because the thing about it, I think if a relationship was ongoing, you wouldn't refer to her as a baby mother. Should have been probably your girlfriend or your wife. If your girlfriend if you're not married, and your wife if you're not married. And then somebody that probably say when you talk about her, I don't have kids, and then you'd say, yeah, man, I have 2 kids, but your girlfriend. But the baby mother thing, kind of trash. Kind of trashy. Oh no.
But especially in Jamaica, if you have a child outside of wedlock, a man is going to refer to you as his baby mother. That's just the norm here.
No, not a fan foundation.
Right.
Ali, you married your son, father?
Never married it.
Married, okay. Me never married it neither. Sassy ever married?
Yes.
That's you keep everybody upon them two of them don't know what to expect.
Yes, that is it. Exactly.
Damon is afraid to ask her how much time.
Anyway, Sassy answered a question. Just answered plain. And she said yes. Oh my God. Sassy, stop it joking. I know you never mind it. Go ahead.
I'm not joking. I was once married. Hello. What can I say? I'm tell you this.
You never know, say it's serious. I think I joke. Look on my face and say I'm serious now.
I was once married. Hello.
How long? Like 2 years, 1 year, couple months?
2 years.
How we do that? Good official thing where family join together and people.
No.
I got RDG and him just buy a little popcorn ring here and something.
You know, by the popcorn ring. But it was private. It was just a witness on me and him. That's it. It wasn't nothing big, or it wasn't no big wedding.
You can't better somebody from America because they want to get a green card.
Didn't move from yet, so. And yes, it was someone in America, but it wasn't because I didn't want to get no green card.
Let me tell you, right now. No, because we know saying that right now. Look at you. You're too bougie. You're wedding up here have the two right ask them.
What's up with this?
I can't remember. God, the blood place and something. So.
That's not true. That's not true.
Come on, you don't want to look like that. Two big red ass and they look I'm gonna call it something. Where's something name with them carry? Carry it. Where's something name with the Jody, help me out now.
Carry it.
Jody, don't help him out. Don't.
Big wedding.
And Sassy, you have change your outfit and all them something there.
Mighty God.
That's a bougie girl, man. Don't know.
Okay. But that did not work out. I'm learning a valuable lesson, my dear.
Will I marry again?
Yes, I would, of course. I'm a lover girl now.
Not a long distance marriage, or somebody will hand them the Jamaican this time, like.
Yes, yeah.
Would you marry for love or like would you marry for stuff?
I'm married a black man for love, I would marry somebody who can make your life better and hand them happy.
It both of us make each other life better, my love. If we can't make each other life better, then make no sense in married.
That go to say that choose the man with the $2 million then, thanks.
Me never answer that. Me never answer. I told you I would keep both, hello?
Like me personally, I'm not married no woman and I have nothing right now. I can't bother with the broke love. I'm up in age now.
Can't bother with the broke love. Who you classify?
But you're a provider, Damien. You said earlier that you're a provider.
You have a career going. You have to pay for yourself. Should have either sued and finished pay for your house or something.
In a Jamaica?
Yeah, what happened to that?
My dear, it's not easy to acquire a property in Jamaica.
Right. And then not only that, soon finish
you
pay
know,
fees.
but
So how old should I be, so Damien?
and that may I say, because this is to me, when I apply for also any share, the old people, they might give, they want them.
The bank give you 30 years to pay.
That and nobody believe when the house some of them come out. I always
Listen to me, when Catherine Estate did just a bill, I apply for one. And when it comes out, the cleaner, pure old people get it.
Pure old people.
Pure people are so rich 50.
I remember one time I applied for a house and I said, all right, this must go through now. And when it come out, all of my own manager then Mr. get him. Mr. then, oh, she end up on this and get out.
The sister get the house when she had 24.
But they give her some of their points. The older person help her with points.
Somebody
And
have
then
to help her with
yeah,
points.
somebody probably give her them points.
23, somebody have to give her
Yeah,
points
she
because
got
how long
points.
will she be contributing
Yeah.
towards energy to buy it on her own?
No, she not buy it on her own.
Okay.
Yeah, and maybe they partnered with the bank as well too. It's not just an NHT house alone, right, Damien?
Fuck.
Then most people borrow money from the bank, borrow mortgage from the bank as well,
Yeah,
right?
NHT
Because
alone not
because
get that amount
NHG
of money.
don't cover 100%. They don't,
You have to go to the
right?
bank.
And you might not be able to find a house with just what they're lending you, so you have to take their portion plus the bank's portion.
Yeah, NHT will give
Right.
the bank give covers the
But
rest.
but somebody paying off for them house near for pay off Damien, that's crazy. You get 30 years. How old would that
You see,
person be?
Damien and him
No,
brother,
mom, you know, somebody
them
when
have
young girl,
some
like she
very
a
high
43,
expectation in a woman, you
she
know.
a 43 and she don't pay off her house. She buy it from somebody.
Oh.
She
Oh,
buy a
so you
house
mean
she buy a house for about, the house they call about 15 million.
Mm.
mm-hmm.
She got about 5 and the bank lend her rest. And she done,
And
I
that
guess
not
we're just
bad.
thinking that your pool is going to be way smaller. Your pool to choose from, if that is one of the criteria, is going to be very small.
she run partner and she travel and she sell. You know
You
how
can't
Ali?
find them, you know.
Ali, you
You
know
can't
how?
find them, but them you might not find them attractive.
Ali, you know
Yeah,
how
I know
me
it's
talk.
who. Yeah, me that talk to
Don't a real thing me a talk, right?
me that talk to her today, but me not think her so much.
I maybe I know someone, but she don't pay feet and she
Yeah, she
good at
done.
it.
Yeah, she done come in her. Good. Yeah. Somebody me
And
talk.
I'm 30, don't is not 30 years.
No, it's not 30 years. It's actually wait, cause she just a little bit older than me, and
Exactly.
yeah, and she don't pay feet for true.
You don't
Yeah,
pay for. So I'm glad to say you're there as witness and you know how old person. So
I know.
That's good.
yeah, that's good. Young girl.
That's
Not saying it's
good.
not possible, it's just that the pool is going to be small if that is a
Yeah,
criteria.
Right.
but then
Me
that's
now
good
go set
that.
the standard say me want a body where I have a house because I know how the housing thing go, especially in Jamaica.
I mean, everybody can set their own standards, and that's totally fine. And that's why when women set the standards, nobody
Nobody should
nobody
complain. A
have
woman say them I
reservation
want a
because
broke
what
man,
if
leave
we say we
them.
not married unless
Let's
a
agree.
somebody
Hold
in
on. Let's
the
agree.
life.
Say
You
you
don't
love
want to
attack
know
me, you know. You love attack me.
what kind of man is that?
When Alice said when woman set them standard, nobody shouldn't bash them because when man set them standard, we just have to live with it. You understand? So I said when a woman says she don't want a broke man, that's why a man for leave them alone and for them standard that.
What you consider broke man, Ali, in 2026? Short and spicy, sausage. Sorry,
Yes,
sausage.
you say Ali.
No, you may talk, but me make mistake.
When a woman refer to a man as broke, she mean a man that is not doing anything for himself. He has nothing going on, no career, no vision, nothing.
So you can take the man down and turn him into a man.
It's not my job to bill you, sir. Me no want
Tasik,
a
let me
man.
ask you this question,
Me no
right?
want a man when I have a vision. You must at least, or even if you don't have the resources to take yourself where you want to go, fine. But you must have a vision. You must know where you want out of life. Come on.
I have a
So to me,
question,
the
Tasik.
person should have what you have or a little more. Like right now, if you have certain assets or whatever, the person should have similar amounts or values or a little more. That's what's going to cause the relationship to be balanced. Otherwise, there's going to be misery at some point in time.
Ah, boy. You must have a vision, especially as an adult. Come on, man. Jesus. You must have a vision. If you said to a high school kid, what do you want to become in the next 5 years? Where do you see yourself? Them can't tell you. So why you as a grown man don't
But
know what you want
Tasik,
out of
suppose the
life?
person have a vision, right? But
Right.
they're only able to cover their expenses. So they can pay their rent, buy their food, pay their car note, da. They're not even able to give you the money to do your nails monthly. Are you good with that, or would you consider that a broke man?
That's not a broke man. He's able to take care of himself.
That's what I wanted to know. How?
I want to
What about you,
classify that. I
Ali?
want to classify that as broke at all. No,
So
sir.
give him a chance in your life.
Give him a chance in my life to do what?
Oh, so I thought you meant that you would be good with him, like dating him. Hold on, there's
Love
Tasik.
that
Wait.
video.
So you're telling me you wouldn't date a man like that? That's what you're saying, Sasik?
Here, listen to me. You in a position where you can only take care of your expense, right? The relationship should not be a priority, sir.
Because if a man is going into a relationship, he needs to be able to take care of the woman, or he needs to be able to contribute to her expenses. Okay.
Support. Come
Why am I
on.
contribute and you already did that take care of your bills and something already?
Me no business. Me no care. Yeah, for come on, can support me.
So you just think it's a role of the man, right? Because I always wonder the question too, you know, Sasik, if you already pay your bills 100%, right?
Right.
Why do you want when the man comes? He's not a burden to you, but he's not giving you anything. Why do you want him to help you? You're already doing it by yourself.
All right. So for me personally, I like to have the mindset that if I should fall short, I have a partner that I can call on. And the only way you're gonna prove that to me is by doing.
A good reasoning, that Sasik.
Exactly.
I was just playing devil's advocate, but that's a good one. Good girl.
Hey. It don't make no sense, but again, my corner if me can't pick up my phone and call you and tell you that me need groceries and you can't. It don't make no sense. Go anyways.
Sassy, Enigma says, Sassy's my girl.
That's